Now I give the floor to Tony Chiran from Bangladesh Indigenous Youth Forum, following by next statement from Foro panel Gaia Amazonas. Tony Chiran, you have the floor. Mic, please. Your mic.
On behalf of Bangladesh Indigenous Youth Forum, we welcome this interactive dialogue and reaffirm the importance of the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People in UNRIP as a vital framework for the recognition, protection, and promotion of the rights of indigenous peoples globally, including in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, indigenous peoples continue to face challenges in realizing their rights to land, self-determination, cultural identity, and meaningful participation in decision-making processes that affects their lives. Despite the commitments under UNRIP and Bangladesh obligations under international human rights treaties, indigenous communities in the Chittagong Hill Tracts, CST, and the Plainland districts frequently experience land dispossession and lack of adequate consultations and barrier to justice. And address the land disputes in transparent and participatory manner and ensure that indigenous peoples' rights are respected following UNRIP and recommendations from the UNPFII, the Special Rapporteur and relevant treaty bodies. We further call on the UN Voluntary Fund on Indigenous Peoples to continue supporting Indigenous Peoples representatives from Bangladesh to meaningfully participate in the UN mechanism and share their life experiences and aspirations. We urge the UNMRIP, UNPFII, Special Rapporteur on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, and UN Voluntary Fund and UN bodies to urge the government of Bangladesh to recognize indigenous peoples and their rights to self-determination, free, prior, and informed consent in Bangladesh, and which is enshrined in UNRIP. To urge the government of Bangladesh to enact the Bangladesh Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act, BIPRA, and to urge the government of Bangladesh to form separate dedicated ministry for Plainland Indigenous Peoples and separate land commission for Plainland Indigenous Peoples in Bangladesh, and to urge the government of Bangladesh to fully implement the CST Accord of 1997 and finally, we urge all stakeholders to strengthen accountability and ensure that indigenous voices are heard and respected in national policies and development plans, and to organize a meaningful dialogue between indigenous peoples and the government on indigenous peoples' rights. Thank you, Chair.